everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review this cat automatic litter box, and this is the Catbula Pro Premium and Odorless Auto-Pack Cat Litter Box. Catbula Pro is the ultimate odorless auto-pack smart litter box. Catbula Pro is 4-in-1 premium smart litter box with health monitoring of your cats. This is the industry first rotational packing technology, which this technology is patented. So it is a single waste clump sealing system, which is completely isolating the odor, as well as it's superior to the competitors' drawer style unifeed packing. It also has a dedicated waste box component, which is using the biodegradable eco-friendly materials only. It's a pre-installed with an extra long garbage bags, and it's capable of handling about 90 waste clumps. It's more environmentally friendly and convenient. So guys, I am obsessed with this toilet. What I've got, it was a prototype, but Catbula Pro are keep on developing their product. So the product that you're gonna get is gonna be way better than what I got. So you're very welcome to go support them and back them up. This is a project. This is like a community project, and right now they are trying to collect as many backuppers as possible. So guys, if you are interested in this product, be so very sure to go click the link in my description box of this video of mine and go check out and back up Catbula Pro. They are on Kickstarter, and guys, I cannot wait to tell you all about the tech innovative, most freshly and newest developed technology of this automatic cat litter box. Well, let's get started. So this is a fully automatic cat litter box, and it's odor-free, which is really important. It has a smart application with AI health monitoring options, as well as it's a spacious open top type of a design for large cats. Well, my cat is a little one, it's a tiny one, it's a small one. I unfortunately don't have a big fat cat to show in this video, but guys, please understand that this cat litter box was especially designed for these giant big cats. So it can take up to 20 liters of large capacity waste bin. So guys, this is an extra unique design of a cat litter box. I've never seen anything like that before. The Catbula Pro was especially designed not just for any type of a cat, but for your fur giant. So if you have a large, big cat, this litter box is definitely the correct and right automatic litter box for you. So why wrestle with scoops and suffer through stink bottles when you can give your big boned buddy the royal treatment? The Catbula Pro is here for these extra large cats. So Catbula Pro has an open design for large cats. It has an instant waste encapsulation, as well as it's odor-free. So once your cat is done doing whatever he was doing, it's gonna automatically and immediately clean the litter from whatever your cat was done, and it's gonna compose it into a sealed, closed trash bag. And this is how it's completely odor-free. It's a smooth design and a smooth operation. The design of this litter box is incredibly user-friendly for quick and easy cleanup, and its enclosed destructor effectively controls the odor to keep your home fresh, and it's making it perfect for households with multiple cats. So if you're having more than one cat, this one is definitely the right and correct litter box for you. It's also extra quiet, so this litter box operates quietly, so it conserves litter and keeps the floor clean as well. It's also stylish, looks really gorgeous, love the design. It's very extra easy to use, and there is very little type of a setup is needed. You basically just need to connect the trash can to the litter box itself, and that's it. That setup is easy, user-friendly, and fast. It is also energy efficient type of a litter box, and the self-cleaning ability is absolutely amazing. By the way, by self-cleaning, you are actually saving a litter, and you are avoiding any type of a mess. In conclusion, this is a perfect litter box. Now, through the smart application, you can fully control the litter box, as well as you are having two buttons at the litter box itself. One to clean the litter box through the bottom, but the litter box will do it automatically, by the way, as well as the second button is to connect it to the smart application. Now, the litter box work on sensor. So once it sends a cat inside, and once it sends that the cat done his business, the cat went outside of the box, it will start the cleaning itself automatically. So there's no need to go push buttons or to tell it through the smart application to clean itself. No, it works on sensors. So once it senses that the cat done his business, it's gonna clean itself automatically. Also through the smart application, you can fully control your litter box. You can tell it to clean itself and so very on. But the most important thing is that the smart application is gonna track your cat's health by recording your cat's toilet habits. And this is how you can learn all about your pet cat's health and be aware exactly what and when each cat of yours is doing. Also, if you're having multiple cats, it definitely can work with multiple cats as well. And we all know that health is happiness, especially if it's the health of our babies. So the Catbula Pro features a cutting-edge AI health monitoring, which is delivering a real-time insights directly to your phone via the smart application. So you can track your cat's health and activity to ensure that they're not just surviving, but thriving. So it's going to give you all this knowledge and peace of mind knowing every detail of your cat's well-being. The Catbula Pro is designed with a 20-liter waste box, which is letting you to go hands-free for up to 2 weeks. And that's a carefree living without cleaning. So you're spending less time scooping and more time petting your favorite pet. In conclusion, guys, this is an automatic, hygienic, and completely hands-free litter box. It is right now runs on Kickstarter, so be so very sure to go back this project up on the Kickstarter. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please be so very sure to go back up if you're interested in this product, Catbula Pro on Kickstarter. And I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, so be so very sure to check them out. And guys, this is a great project and I happily myself just backed them up too. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to let me know what do you think down below at the comments, and let me know what type of a cat litter box you are using right now if you are having cats, and if you're not, then what are you waiting for? I don't know, you're weird. I don't know who you are. That's so weird. You don't have a cat. Like, what's wrong with you? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.